You can do things I cannot. I can do things you cannot. But together we can do great things. Hello everyone, this is Nandini Singh, somebody who has been working in network marketing industry since last 3 years, and today I have come up with that topic only. So many of you would have been working in different companies with different kinds of plans, binary generations, a lot of plans running in the market at this point of time. And many of you would have struggled over the past years in this industry. Many of you wouldn't have got that good platform to work upon, and many of you would have been struggling today even. So whosoever is just done with putting efforts in this industry and has struggled a lot over the past 3 years, I have come up with a very good opportunity this time. Its name is Lightedkia Private Limited. It is a company established on 4th of June this year only. Yes, you have heard it right. It has been established this year only. So today you are getting an So guys, this company is working upon huge class quality products, and it has a very huge and good income plan. We have a combination of binary plus repurchase plus level plan. So it is a hybrid plan, we can say, and you can further know about it by contacting with us, and we can work together as one. Trust me guys, you're not gonna regret it at all. So just come to us and we will work together as one. Thank you very much. Whosoever is interested in knowing about this plan and further wants to join my team Nandini Singh, you can contact on me on this very number. The number is 9555 148 993. Thank you very much.